So you and me will kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again.
Alright, so it's day one, just finished up that gym workout in, walking down the street now, finding a nice cafe to eat. It's beautiful here, it's about 50 degrees Fahrenheit, so hopefully gonna get some really cool shots for you guys, some sick angles. Catch you later. What is this? Evian for sick pump. Reverse, Navie.
Naive.
Evian, what?
Naive.
Naive? Naive? Naive. That's not how you say naive. Korean barbecue chips. I really want to get these. See macros. Oh, macros. 210 calories, 23 grams of carbs, 3 grams of protein. Here in Canada, they do not have any protein drinks whatsoever. Just straight up juice with sugar, Greek yogurt, and Evian waters. Cafe, Starbucks. Alright, so I got the omelet down here with the bagel. Got a veggie spread right here. And we got 2 sunny side up eggs. Really good breakfast.
We're going zipline, baby. No joke.
Alright, so we're about to go ziplining, and we got these forms all signed, got our life signed away, so I'm gonna hopefully record that with my phone. I'm definitely not bringing my camera up on the zipline, but you're gonna see that footage in 3, 2, 1.
I know where we can go, where the sunrise lasts forever, and it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me.
Right now. It's awesome. It's awesome. That was the most exhilarating about 15-20 seconds that you could ever experience. It was crazy, crazy beautiful, crazy experience. Now we're gonna head on for the rest of the day. It is the kush tard, the kush.
Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me. Just run away with me.
So, dinner today, we got pizza, got that guacamole chicken, cheese right there, more pizza, and a view.
We'll get real lost, we'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost, we'll get real lost again.
Went on a like little Canadian candy shop, and of course, you know, we had to purchase that sour candy. So we're gonna do the first taste test of Canadian sour candy. I don't know what flavor this is. They don't have names or flavors of anything, but it's sour. It's good. I like this flavor. Taste another one. I've never seen this before. It's like a long blue piece where you can get it. Alright, the first thing you do when you go to Canada, you find a candy store. You definitely want to try them. Absolutely delicious right now. Love. Yo, you guys ever tried beaver tail? We're about to have this whole entire thing. It's about 1,000 calories. Let's get it. Tail, we got a wedge of lemon right here. Finesse. Some cinnamon. Oh. Better than Cinnabon. 100% better than Cinnabon.